welcome to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy, Season 3. Today's episode, we'll be making buttermilk chicken and waffles. Let's get started. So we have buttermilk, chicken, seasoning, and flour. First I'm going to pour the seasoning, and then I'm going to pour the buttermilk on the chicken. Now let me pour the buttermilk. My dad's gonna bread the chicken. Make sure to do it on both sides. Alright guys, and that's very dangerous. Yeah, adult supervision. Right, that's the second chicken. Now we're gonna make our buttermilk waffles. First we're gonna pour the flour. And then pour the sugar. Pour baking soda and salt. Now here's the fun part. Let's pour the buttermilk. Now that the batter is ready, my dad will pour the waffle. And let's check our chicken. Don't that look good? Now let's pour the batter.
Loud.
So here's our buttermilk chicken and waffles. Really good time to end out the video here. It's been so fun to do this with you. And if you like this video, then smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye!